Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mint app versus Rocket Money. We will delve into the features and benefits of each platform, helping you understand how they can assist with your financial management. Our goal is to provide a clear overview so you can decide which tool aligns best with your personal budgeting and savings objectives. Let's get started. Mint app excels at providing a comprehensive view of your finances, allowing you to connect nearly all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments. It offers flexible budgeting tools, enabling you to create custom spending categories and track your progress. You can also monitor your credit score and investment portfolio, all within one user-friendly interface, largely for free. Rocket Money shines in helping you actively save money and optimize your expenses. It automatically detects recurring subscriptions, assisting you in canceling those you no longer need. Premium features include bill negotiation, where they can help reduce your monthly bills, and Smart Savings, accounts that automate your financial goals. Rocket Money has helped millions of users save hundreds of millions of dollars in subscription fees. Deciding between Mint and Rocket Money depends on your financial priorities. If you prioritize in-depth budgeting, detailed transaction categorization, and investment tracking, Mint offers extensive free tools. However, if your main goal is to actively reduce expenses, cancel subscriptions, and negotiate bills with minimal effort, Rocket Money's specialized features, particularly its premium offerings, make it a strong contender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.